next program is here. We'll see one more program here, that is declare. CLS call Papson. So this is the next program, and we have to get the output. Let's use it in very simple way. Let's run it. Actually the procedure is it is being called two times. We can say call Papson and call Papson. First, actually we are supplying the value 15 and 10. Yes, so 15 it is for X and the 10 it is for the Y. So A it becomes 15, so A is 15 and B is 10, means 15 is not getting that condition being false, so it means B is 10, so it means 10. So in first calling we are going to get 10, and in second calling what happens? A is there 3 and B is 6, means A is smaller than B, so it means 3. So what will be the output? Output will be there, first is 10, then is 3. Let's run it. Here is 10 and 3. Yes or no? Now let's represent this with the help of dry run table. So we have very less number of variables here, like x equal to 15 and y equals to 10. Yes, let's take only two values and let's go for the calling. Okay, here is x, then y. In first case x is 15, so 15, and the y is there 10. Yes, so that was in first calling. So actually what is a and b? A is here 15 and b is here 10. Yes or no? And next, what will the output here? Condition being a true or not. So in first we will get there a less than b. Yes, so equals to a is less than b, false. Yes, so output is there, print b, that is else part, print b equals to what is value of b, that is 10, so 10 is here. Next time, second time again it is called there with the alpha values 3 and 6. So that is actual argument. So what we get there, x and y, actually see, it is not the matter there. Simply we get here a equals to 3 and the b equals to 6, and here is print. Let's check the condition again, false or true. So a less than b, it is true. Yes, a is smaller than b, so we'll get the what, print a, that is 3. So what is the output here? Output is in first case 10 and in second case 3. So that's all. So that is the output, nothing more we have to do there. 10 and 3, that is the output as we have seen here. Here is it. Now let's go for the next program here.